Good morning, welcome fellow subscribers, and those of you that are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button below and the bell icon to stay up to date with all my videos on the Lexus GSF. So today I got a quick video, short and sweet, of something that I made a mistake on and technically broke when I was doing the brake pad change on my GSF. So I ordered some parts from Toyota, Lexus, same thing. But I ordered some parts for the front brake kit, which is basically like a hardware kit. It includes the pins, some bolts, the shims that go into it. So let me take you inside, show you what I over tightened and stripped the bolt on, and we're gonna replace it real quick. Today I have my both dearly beloved Frenchie, my baby, my Cotton de Tulare 12-year-old, and Lily, the Chihuahua Schnauzer. That's a sweet little monkey to me, but anybody else, she will rip your face off. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, my baby? All right, let's go inside the garage and let me show you what we gotta fix. Excuse me, guys. So I got the car jacked up, wheel off. Let me turn on some lights for us. We're gonna be working on this side. Let me get the socket for this and I'll show you what's going on. All right, so let me see if I could squeeze you guys in here. This ball right here is a 13mm that connects to this pin right here. There's two of them. The bottom one I over tightened and basically goes right there. I over tightened this so it was kind of spinning on itself when I was tightening it, and basically right now I went to unscrew it and it snapped right there. Snap, 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 snap. So I loosened this one up, the top one, which is good. It's not stripping or anything, so I'm not gonna tighten it that much. I over torqued it. So I'm gonna hand tighten this, undo this one, pop it out, replace it with the new one, and tighten it up, and we should be good to go. So mistake on my part, memo to self, get a small torque wrench, which I don't have one, so my big one wouldn't fit in here, so I couldn't torque it to the correct specs, which I don't even know what they are at the moment. But let's undo this, replace it, and tighten it up. So we need to loosen this bottom retainer because we have to get rid of this clip in order to take out the top piece. So that's out. And now I should be able to come in here, tap it from behind, and pull this sucker out. Don't know if you could see, but the bolt is broken in there. There's the other piece of it. So, yeah. Let's not have that happen again. Here is our new boy. Slide it in. Put the bolt in by hand. Goes all the way in by hand. Gonna attach the clip back on. this back in. Make sure it's fully seated. There we go. I'm gonna take my 13mm righty tighty and just, I'm not gonna put any crazy amount of torque on it at all. That's it. So I loosened the top one so I could just tighten it by hand also. And there we go, that's it. I'm not gonna tighten it any more than that. They're both good to go now. I do have a couple as a spare. They send you, basically a full kit for the one side, and this was, I believe, $39. So I have a few spares if I need them for the other side, but the other side was totally fine. I didn't over torque it. It was just this one in particular. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on and call it a day. Thank you guys for watching. The kids are chilling with me. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Please subscribe below. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers. It has been a long road. I'm at 680. I need that 1,000. I need your support, guys. Please subscribe below for more GSF Lexus content. Tomorrow I got another video coming. For those of you that have like a daily or another car that's a Jeep Wrangler, I'm going to be installing some shocks on that car. Stay tuned for that video. But most importantly, my brother Bully Kid did a review on my Lexus GSF. I told him, here are the keys, take the car, do whatever you want, make a review. I'm going to post his link to his link is going to be the first one below to that video. It's an awesome video. He does some burnouts, does some pulls. Check it out. Subscribe to his channel also, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.